All right, it's time to reassemble the D's. I had to do a little bit of hackery, the most minor amount. This post is supposed to thread into that hole, and it was stripped out, so I tried to tap it. Oh, that's right. I tried. The threads on this were done for, and they don't sell this anymore. At least PV Resource doesn't. So I just put a nut with a lock washer on the back. So I got to take that off though to reassemble it. I forgot. Oh my gosh, what size is this? Hang on. Bingo. Yeah, so I tried to rethread this, but I could only put threads on like the first 2/3, and then the nut kind of bottoms me out on my die. So, whatever. This works. All right, I got to remember how to do this. So, let me get the thing. Schematic. Okay. Okay. Metal flap goes here. New metal flap. That ain't no good. Let's zoom in and see what's up. Okay. Do that for a bit. I don't know if that extra lock washer is necessary when I have this. Ooh. Well, there's evidence of there being this type of something on there before, and I think it had fallen off, so. I'm gonna put the washer on. Forgive. How much stink do I want to put on it? A lot. I don't want, yeah, because once this thing's covered up or put back together, I can't get to this. That's a lot. Okay. Oh, that's so sweet. Okay. So I'm looking at this. I'm right here. But the order I had it in was okay. Man, I cannot remember. Okay, so I think I can put it together now and put the bolts in because I had these parts laid out in the order I took them off, and this was the last thing after the next thing after this. So, uh-oh, we'll see. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. Oh no, I got to keep on moving. I don't know if that's right. Because there's these holes on the inside of this thing. I don't see, there's no threads. I don't see any wear marks. It's still black painted, so maybe there's just holes there. We'll say that for now. Oh, I hope I don't have to take this thing apart. Oh well, it's part of the game. Oh, this has to go on over here. No, shit. It goes there. Darn it. Take her apart. So when you're messing with your D's, oh, I need to put those in first. Okay, so this says the two center ones are 31619, and the outsides, yes, are 21158, 21158, and these over here are 21158. Okay, good, because I have 4 of one and 2 of the other. Okay, so 21158 outside. So the little ones go on the inside. Cool. Look how shiny they came out after the tumbler. So nice. Ugh. It's raining. Where did I get that wood screw from? Oh, that's for the derp. Get it. Hang on, let me get my thingy punch out there. I think this is Kishibashi. Kishibashi. All right, I gave it about 18 inch-pounds. It's just a wood screw going into this resin stuff, so don't want to go nuts on it. All right, so I got that on. Fastened from below. MP18 adhesive strip. Don't know if I have that. I don't think it was in the decal set. I know this. I hope that this 31780 ship decal is in the decal set. One of the apron decals. It goes here, the apron cards. All right, I found it. Thank God. It's kind of a thick, almost like sandpaper texture. It's tight. Oh, well, that's what it is. 468. Oh, that's probably just the backing. It's cool. It's thick. All right. So, what's next? Put this together now again. I don't want to. I do remember when I pulled this sticker off thinking there'd be screws underneath because I wasn't like, I just went ham on it and there were no. Ooh, I need to hit this with Goo Gone. There were no, what you call it? No screws going this way or any go through here at all. Oops. Forgot to pop that over. I think it's good. Did I already scratch it up? Oh my God. Somehow I put some cool little scratches right there. Oops. All right, what's next? Let me get my tools area cleaned up here. I don't have that adhesive strip. Still not sure what those are. I need to look at some pictures. It's just saying 8 by 32 by, let's see, this one. I don't know. That probably just gets covered up, but let me flip this over. These guys go on. Okay. Inch and a half, right? It's this guy. Let me put this decal on first. Over top of this bullshit. Hope I don't regret this. Decals. I forget which side goes on which what. I'll look at the flyer. I should have remembered it's the DEEZ is where you lock it, like when you can lock the balls. So that's like the sort of the cradle. This is the atoll side, like this. Atoll, then DEEZ. Okay. I should have listened to what the manual said. I'm hitting another screw straight behind that, so I need... What size do I need here? Get the proper size. Oh, I'm pretty sure the threads are... Oh, I think the threads just got toasted on this, and the bracket's still fine. Fudge. This one. 1/2 inch. Fuck. Alright, gotta take it apart. God damn it. I'll have to tap those threads. Not ready for these. Ain't that nice? Okay. Take these back off. Not even tight. Nice. Get my dirty fingerprints all over this thing again. Oh, here we go. All right. Give it a spin. That's the suspect one. No. This one. I fucked it up. Running out of space. Okay, this is again 832. Yeah. So I need 632. 8's over here. Make sure I'm right here. I'll run it in one of these holes. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, they ain't what they used to be, but I just won't hammer down on it. Okay. Atoll. Sticker time. Oh, yeah, this is Christian rap with Project Pat rapping with some Christian rapper. It's hilarious. All right, atoll. Boom. When it's facing me like this and the balls can shoot through, I get the atoll. Don't put it upside down. So it goes like this. Dude, I have to take it apart again. Fuck, I forgot the shaft.